Very morning to all my dear friends and respected teachers. My name is A. Sanjay Krishna from class 12D, here standing as one of the candidates for the school pupil leader election. My symbol is Mugiwara, also known as the straw hat. This symbolizes freedom, hope and belief. Freedom isn't doing whatever you want. It is a confidence that one has to express their ideas, thoughts and concern without any hesitation. The hope that you place in me will not be wasted. If I elected as SPL, I work sincerely and responsibly to meet all your expectations. The belief and trust that you place in me will not be broken. I'll uphold the values, follow the school's code of conduct, be truthful to my words and be responsible all the time. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but I believe I have the leadership qualities. I have the tendency to accept my responsibilities and work for the betterment of our school. So my dear friends, remember, your hope is my motivation, your belief is my responsibility and your trust is my strength. So vote for me, vote for Mugiwara. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Tulsiram K of class 12, hereby standing as a candidate for school pupil leader election. My symbol is Zenith. Zenith means to reach the highest point of achievement and success. The lion in the picture represents courage and fearlessness as one should live in his life. And the raised fist in the picture represents unity and determination when we stand together. And the center fist will be mine who will look for you and support you. And the wings in the picture represents growth and progress. We have to reach greater heights. And throughout these years, not just sitting in the classroom and listening to the classes, I have also observed and analyzed the queries and needs of the students. So I know about your problem. So if you elect me as your school pupil leader, I will fulfill all your wishes and guide you on a right path. So vote for Zenith and me. Thank you.
Anyone can make promises, but leadership is defined by actions. I am Samuel Alex of class 12 and I stand here before you today as a potential candidate for the school pupil leader of our prestigious school. Just over a year ago, I joined this school and ever since then, I've used every opportunity to represent my class, my school and even serve as an MC in various events. As for the symbol that I have chosen, it represents each and every value that I stand for. The eagle represents confidence, leadership, vision, etc. The compass represents guidance and overall leadership. And finally, the laurel wreaths, they represent excellence, legacy and achievements of our prestigious school. As for the name Prudentia means wisdom, logical thinking and practical leadership. Now, as for my promises, you may ask what sort of promises can I, a potential candidate for the SPL, make to all of you. I will tell you 3 simple promises that I assure will be implemented into our school. Firstly, every single student of all classes will be heard and represented. Secondly, all achievements done by our students which make our school proud will be recognized. And finally, there will be more opportunities for participation from the student side in various activities, events and competitions. I am not here to make unrealistic promises. Instead, I am here to tell you that I have already represented the school and now I ask for the opportunity to represent you. If you believe in a leader who follows the values of confidence, responsibility, humility and future vision, I humbly ask for your vote.
Greetings everyone, this is Alice Jocelyn of 12A and now I'm standing before you as a candidate for the SPL election. My symbol is Nova, which means a bright star in the night sky that lights up everything around it. My symbol teaches us various meanings. Firstly, the Pegasus with the magnificent wings teaches us to have limitless ambitions. Limitless ambitions means that no matter how hard the exams are, we have the power to rise high and have to overcome the obstacles we have. The united hands means the unity and the teamwork. If you support me, I'll be on your side with a very confident manner and you will be having a very bright future. The ships will have a direction of your life. The knowledge what you have will be the key to your direction of your life. The anchor makes a massive ship so steady and even it will not leave the ship as it is even during a heavy storm. Vote for the leadership that guides you. Vote for the unity that supports you. Vote for the leadership that guides you. Vote for the leadership that unites you and supports you. Vote for Nova. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. This is Janu Pratija of grade 12B, standing as a nominee for the school pupil leader election. For a moment, just imagine something. A huge storm, towering waves, dark clouds, a ship stuck in the middle of the sea. What does it search for? A light. A light which guides. A light which reassures. A light which stays with it when the sea is calm or a huge storm strikes. That light is the lighthouse. And there stands the reason why I chose lighthouse as my symbol. Before becoming an SPL, I could not give you any of the promises, but I can give you 2 assurances. If I become your SPL, I'll show no superiority. A badge may be pinned, but it never enters my head. I will not stand above you, but among you. Let us not create a school where one leads and everyone follows. Let us create a school where everyone leads and one represents. The second thing is the most important thing. If I won't be the SPL I dream of being, but an SPL you dream of having. If you want an SPL who listens, I will listen. If you want an SPL who supports, I will support. Every classroom in this school is not just filled with students, but with many talented minds, ideas and innovation. Sometimes these ideas get hidden into notebooks, not because they aren't good enough, but because there is no one to listen to their ideas and turn them into reality. If I become your SPL, I will be the one who turns your ideas into reality. If you want an SPL who guides, if you want an SPL who serves, if you want an SPL who listens to your ideas, trust me, it will be me. Not the SPL I dream of being, but an SPL you dream of having. Thank you, Out for the Lighthouse.
Happy greetings to one and all. I am Kamali from Grade 12B, presenting myself as an SPL candidate. So I am contesting in this election not just for authority or power, but I believe that this opportunity is to serve, to inspire and to create a positive impact. And my symbol is Infinite Chess Knight. The Chess Knight is a symbol of intelligence, courage and strategic thinking. And unlike other chess pieces, it is the one which thinks differently, overcome obstacles, and find instant solutions where others sees barrier. And the infinite symbol here represents continuous growth, endless dedication, and commitment that never stops. So if I become your SPL, I'll ensure that I would create an environment where all students are heard, where all opportunities are created, and where all actions are encouraged. So if you believe that leadership is about responsibility, actions and service and not just simply promises, I would humbly ask your support and your vote. Thank you all.